In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your value proposition in proposals, and I'll make sure it's clear, actionable, and quick to apply so you can start impressing clients right away. By the end of this 3-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pinpoint your unique value and make your proposals stand out. Let's dive right in. First off, your value proposition is the most important part of any proposal, because it tells the client what makes your offer better than anyone else's. The key to highlighting it effectively is not just stating what you do, but connecting the dots for your audience, showing them exactly how your product or service solves their problem. To start, always frame your value proposition around the client's needs. Ask yourself, what is the specific problem they're trying to solve? Then, tailor your proposition to show that you not only understand their pain points, but also have the perfect solution. Focus on how your offer directly improves their situation. Next, make your value proposition clear and easy to understand. Avoid jargon or overcomplicating things. Think of it as your elevator pitch. The simpler and more straightforward it is, the more likely it is to grab attention. Your client should be able to read the first sentence and immediately understand the benefit. Use benefits, not features, to highlight your value proposition. Instead of listing what your product does, explain why it matters to the client. For example, instead of saying, "Our software automates tasks," say, "Our software saves you time by automating repetitive tasks, so you can focus on growing your business." That shift from feature to benefit helps clients see the real value you're offering. Include measurable results when you can. Numbers speak volumes. If you've helped previous clients save 30% in operational costs or increase their revenue by 20%, make sure that's front and center in your proposal. The more concrete you can be with your value, the more persuasive your proposition will be. Also, consider putting your value proposition in multiple places within the proposal. Don't just stick it at the top, bring it up again in the conclusion and wherever else it's relevant. This repetition ensures your main selling points stick with the client throughout the document. Let's not forget about the power of visuals. Sometimes words alone don't do justice to your value proposition. A simple chart or infographic that demonstrates how your solution works or the impact it's had can help reinforce your message. This could be anything from a cost comparison to a timeline showing how your solution speeds up the process. Now, to make your proposal even more compelling, back up your value proposition with testimonials, case studies, or data from satisfied customers. Social proof builds trust, and if others are already seeing results, it's easier for new clients to believe in your value. Finally, make sure your value proposition aligns with the rest of your proposal. Your value proposition should be the foundation upon which the rest of the proposal is built. Everything from the introduction to the pricing structure should tie back to how your offer meets the client's needs. As a quick revision, start by focusing on your client's pain points and clearly communicate how your solution solves them. Make sure your value proposition is simple, benefit-focused, and includes measurable results when possible. Use visuals and social proof to strengthen your proposition and ensure that it flows throughout the proposal. One last thing before I go, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we're using in the description below. It's available only to my viewers, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: your value proposition is the core of your proposal, and making it clear, focused on benefits, and backed by results will give you the best shot at winning over clients. Highlight it well, and you'll start seeing better proposal outcomes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below.